Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on Peacock. So the first thing that we are going to do is to of course open our browser. So just go into your browser right here. And then once you open your browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for Peacock Premier League and then click on enter. After you do that, just click on the first link. And then in this part, if you already have an account, you'll just have to click on sign in right here and then put your account info. However, if you don't have an account yet, of course, we're going to click on get started. And then once you click on get started, you'll have to choose your subscription that you want to avail. So if you want to avail a premium, so we can choose either monthly or annually. So if you want to click on monthly, just click on it. And then you will be redirected into this page. So we'll have to create our account. So just put your email and then of course your password and then re-enter your password. And then after that, put your first name once again and then your gender, your birth year, and then of course your zip code. After that, right here, just click on create account. And then after that, in this part, you will now be redirected into the payment details. So you'll just have to put, of course, your credit card if you want to pay through credit card. So you'll have to put your information such as your name, and then of course your address, and then your card number. And then once you do that, we're going to click on this checkbox, and then we're going to click on subscribe. Now, once you click on subscribe, and once you have successfully availed their subscription, all you have to do is to go back into the Peacock TV, and then inside there, you'll just have to search for Premier League. And then you will now be able to see the matches of Premier League, such as the replays and then the upcoming matches. After that, you can now watch it through your phone, your TV, and even your computer. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.